We have a 2013, it's a late one as well, 63 reg Skoda Fabia 1.2 SE, and this one has, wait for it, 7,995 miles on the clock from new. It's a mature lady owner from new, and this is a category S from the insurance company, which is actually meant for structural, but a lot of the time it isn't, and in this case there's no structural damage whatsoever on it. I really don't get it, but I will show you that. So bonnet perfect, top perfect, all the way down the side, and it is 7,900 miles, and it looks like it. It looks like a new car. Top, although there's some scuffs around the back. Right there, and a broken light, which are about 30 quid, so I'll just bought another one of those on. And it looks like someone's just been parking up multiple times in the same location against like a fence or something. But that is that, so that'll just need to be tidied and painted. So this side is all good. All the way down that side. We've got a damaged wing. A missing headlight, but that's actually in the boot. And a scuff on the front bumper. It also actually broke the track rod end, and that's been replaced. But the bonnet's up, so I'll show you in here. It is like brand new. Well, it should be. It's 7,000 miles, but. And the damage for category S, there isn't any. That's your crash bar there, which takes the impact, and it's been unbolted by the insurance company. There is one lug of the headlight, which is annoying, so that'll have to be bonded on. It'll be plastic welded properly. And that is it. There is no damage on it. And all lines up straight. I've closed the bonnet. And on the inside, it is as expected for the mileage. It's super duper clean. So it's got your basics. It's got air conditioning, electric windows, electric mirrors. It's got tailor fitted mats, and in the back it's the same again. It is clean, and we're not going to paint and fix the wing because we've got another one in the same colour. We'll just bolt on, and it's perfect as well. And that's the headlight, and the only thing wrong with it is just one of the tabs on the side, which is easily fixed. So what's going to be done? The back bumper is going to be painted, the wing's going to be swapped, that's going to be tidied up there. It's missing one of the grills there, and there's another scuff there, but the whole bumper is going to be painted, and it's squashed a little bit there. It's annoying. I'm not going to replace that. I'm just going to heat it up and move it back into the right shape. So I don't know a price for this, to be fair, because I don't think you're going to find another one-owner 7,900 mile Skoda Fabia. So watch the space. I'll try and find out a decent price for this, and it'll be on the market soon.